Welcome to the Other Income page. Here you can add any other sources of income you receive to your financial plan. Now it's important to note if you own a business, rental properties, or receive dividends, this source of income is added on their own respective pages. If you do have other income, select yes. You can name it for your own record keeping, and select the frequency of income. If it's a one-time payment, is it today or sometime in the future, or is it an annual reoccurring income? Next, input the value of the income you receive on an annual basis and when you will start receiving it. If you're already receiving it, select your current age. Next, select when this source of income will stop and whether or not it will grow each year. Finally, indicate if this income is subject to tax. Once all required fields are complete, select Add. You can add multiple sources of income. Once you've added all your other income sources, select Next.